Hello guys, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you some basic stuff of OpenCV in Python. Okay, OpenCV library is used for computer vision stuff, images, videos, and we can work a lot with them. Okay, this video is for beginners, so let's start. I hope you will like this video and you will learn from it. Okay, so let me show you. I have some images here, and I'm going to work with plain.jpg. Okay, I'm going to work with this image. Now let me create a program. Sorry, picture.py. Okay, here I will import OpenCV CV2. Okay, here I'm going to read that image from that file, and I will show that image in my application. So I will create a variable here img, and here I will call cv2.imread. Okay, here I will give that file name plain.jpg. Okay, and here I'm going to show this image, so I will call cv2.imshow. Okay, here I will set a title of window plain picture, and here I will set the variable, this variable img, which contains the image. Okay, so img, right? Now I will call cv2.wait key. Okay, this is very important. I will call this, otherwise the image won't be showing in the plain picture window. Okay, and here cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, these two lines are very important. Now I will save this file and run it. Python 3 picture.py. Okay, you can see this is the image, and I called this from that plain.jpeg file and showing here, and you can see the title plain picture, and here you can see XY positioning. Okay, now I'm going to show you how can we load this image in Grayscale. Okay, so let me show you. I press enter here and it will go. Okay, it's gone. Now I'm going to convert it to Grayscale. Okay, picture.py, and here in imread I'm going to set a flag. By default the flag is cv2.imread underscore color, which calls all the channels but neglect transparent channels. Okay, if you don't set anything, uh, it will use that default flag. One more thing, if you want to call transparent channels as well and you don't want to neglect them, you have to use cv2.imread and here unchanged. Okay, imread unchanged, so it will open image without any changes in channels. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now as I'm going to convert that colorful image into grayscale, so I will use here grayscale. Okay, and we will keep rest of the line same. Okay, now I will save the file and run it. Picture.py. Okay, you can see this is now grayscale. Okay, in later videos, in upcoming videos, I will show you how can we work with grayscale images and how can we use them in our applications. I will do my best to show you some real-time application. Okay, so for now, now I'm going to show you how can we get the the image dimension, width and height. So for that, here we go, nano picture.py. Okay, and we can here we can create another um, variable or tuple. Okay, width and height के लिए. Okay, for width and height, and here I will use cv2 dot img dot shape. Okay, now here I will print width w. Okay, and height h. Okay, now let's check it. Save the file and run it. Python 3 picture.py. Okay, you can see width is 800 and height is 1200, right? This is the size of this original image. By the way, in my previous video I created a very beautiful application for image resizing. If you missed that video, please watch that. You will love that video, I am very sure. Okay, so now here I'm going to show you how can we save the image in file. So actually this video was asked by some my junior, that's why I'm creating this basics video. Okay, picture.py, and here I will comment it out, and here I will call cv2.im write. Okay, where to write? I will give the file name plain gray.jpeg. Okay, which image to write? img. Okay, now what will it do? It will create the file plain underscore gray.jpeg with image img, which I called from plain.jpeg in grayscale format. Okay, so it will save the grayscale image file. Let me show you. Save the file, python 3 picture.py. Okay, now let me show you it's saved. Here it is. Okay, let me show you. Fair plain gray dot jpeg. You can see the image has been saved to the plain underscore gray dot jpeg successfully. This is the grayscale version of my colorful plain image. Okay guys, so this is I think this is enough for this basics video, and I hope you will like this. In upcoming videos I will show you further stuff and further working with OpenCV library, so please stay tuned. See you in next video. Goodbye.